Hello YouTube. Let's see, it is February in 2018 and the weather is just fucked. My backyard is completely fucked. I'm gonna have to get a lot of landscape work done back here this year, get a retaining wall, all this water building up here in the back. This ain't no good at all. But reason for the video, I bought a new daily driver truck and I'm going to sell my Cobalt. Here is the truck. 04 Silverado 5.3, four-wheel drive of course. Let's see, extended cab, 170,000 miles, rather high, but it was decently well kept up. 6-inch rough country, 33-inch all-terrains, and 20x10 moto metal 951 wheels, I believe they are. Yep. Of course, the back, they have 2-inch spacers in the back to make it level out. As good as 14 years and 170,000 miles will get. It's not beautiful. It's not a hunk of junk. I like it. That's going to need a little bit of an addressing though, and I'm going to take that off. NFAB step bars. Tires have a lot of good life on them. Very happy about that. Probably going to change out them front shocks. They look like crap. If I was to do anything aesthetically, I'd like to do the 06, 07 style grille with the hood. I do love that style. These Parker lights look pretty crap, so I'm going to change them out. I see there's a couple kits aftermarket that have a smoke lens on it. That kind of looks cool. Bulgy aftermarket fender flares. I'm not sure of the brand. Whoa. Has a bed mat and a little bit of crap in it. I mean, it's a nice truck. I didn't know it had power folding mirrors. That's pretty cool. I didn't know Chevy had those way back then. Not sure if we can see in there. The tint is crap on it. I'm gonna want to change that out probably to something that's not cheap. It had a red glass pack on it when I first bought it, and I put that in it. That's a much better sounding muffler personally to me. Frame's not rotted out, not crapped out. It's pretty good. The rockers, very good shape for the year they are. Perhaps they could have been changed at one point. I'm not 100% sure, but no rust. And the scary part was it was a Jersey truck for the longest time. Broken tailgate bezel panel, of course, standard Chevy thing. And the rear bumper needs a change. Not too big a deal. An aftermarket skin cover, no big deal for that. And like I said, not complete crap. It's pretty decent shape underneath. And LT package, of course. I like my vehicles with options. That's the Cobalt keys. Hold on. Has a aftermarket Viper remote start on it. That really is pretty cool. Camouflage seat covers, which I am not into at all, but not bad for the winter at least. Oops. A little bit of seat wear. And, you know, lovely Pennsylvania in the winter, salting it up. Cosmetically, just a couple buttons worn out. These lights are burnt out. This HVAC panel's burnt out, except for the screen. Just the lights all suck and they don't work. I know you can solder them, but I just bought another panel that had working lights in it. One LED is out up there. I think it's got 20% tint on it. It's got the Bose stereo system. And holy crap, a tape deck. Four-wheel drive electronic. Since you get the console, you don't have the floor shift. Door handles at work that aren't broken. That's a really cool plus. Nice leather back seat. No slider window, which I'm not really heartbroken over. And I do like this. This little tray that was included. Still got the lug nuts and the center wheel caps to the other wheels. They had transfer case work done. I think this switch was just changed out. Perhaps it was bad. I'm not sure. Throw it in the trash. But I like the truck. I don't like the gas mileage on it. Got about 11 miles per gallon with it, but I guess with a 6-inch lift and 5.3 with 373, I can't really complain too badly. That's missing a cover. So, whole new little thing. something new to get used to. Driving truck again, getting bad gas mileage and all that jazz. What I really like though, the center console, as you can see, I utilize it. Throw my receipts and paperwork and that kind of shit there. I swear, your phone is just meant to go there. Like GM made that by accident back in 03. But it's also very nice to be able to put your coffee mug there and have space. And these little cubby holes, I don't know, I put my wallet in there when I'm driving around. And the phone really won't go there, but don't really care. I love that little slot right there. It just perfectly holds your phone. I know on the newer ones you can put it up here and it'll actually charge. But yeah, big whoop. I got a phone charging cord right there. I don't need anything too fancy. And the heated seat stuff, that's pretty nice as well. Yeah, I could not believe it actually had power folding mirrors. That's pretty damn cool for 04. I would like to put tow mirrors on it, but I'm not trying to like dump a whole lot of money in it. I still actually have my, here's the old glass pack. As you see, I'm in winter mode here. There's shit's everywhere. Plow on a four-wheeler. As I was saying, tow mirrors would be nice because with them on the F-150, it really is nice to have them on that truck. You can see so much better backing up. When you lift it just enough, it actually can pull the look off. I'm trying to sell this for $5,000. There's a receipt in the door, and it's filthy. I have 117,000 miles on it, and I really don't want to sell it, but you know, I got this car, I got the Trans Am, I got 2 pickup trucks now, so this is my property. You know, my space sucks. I have hill here, hill there, hill behind, hill around. Sucks. So I'm gonna let this one go, and I'm gonna daily drive that one, and we'll see how long this one lasts for me. I mean, I've only had this Cobalt for 2 years, but what's a real pain in the ass is it didn't have the RPO code for the keyless entry, so gotta go the old-fashioned way, which isn't a big deal, but it still kind of sucks. Inside's nice, still needs a clean up now because I've been driving it. My tent ripped, that sucks. Other than that, I mean, solid. Great running car. I really hate to get rid of it. The clutch pedal is heavy. I hate that. I mean, driving, going to the city, it sucks a bit. The shift boot looks like shit, like all these cars basically do. A couple worn out dash buttons, common GM thing, no big deal. You can always get a new radio, or Dorman makes a replacement kit. But still, I mean, Stage 2 SS, it gets 27 miles per gallon. That's awesome. And it pulls. It pulls damn good. I'm surprised. But, enough of that. This is the Silverado. So, I am back in a GM truck. So, today I'm going to change the spark plugs on it. I do suspect original plugs. Oh, truck had a motor changed out. This motor in it has 105 or 106,000 miles. Apparently the last one got hydro-locked, and when the guy I bought it off of, they changed it out with a junkyard motor and built it up a little bit. Nothing fancy. I mean, I wish they put a 6.0 in it, because that would have been so much more fun. But I pulled original plugs out of the block when I was tinkering around with it one day, and I just got the new AC Delco plugs that are iridium, so I'm going to change them out. And that's what I'll probably do right now. Move this stuff out of the way and hopefully get up the spring a little bit faster. So with that, I will start the truck, and that's it. I love how this sounds. It sounds really good for no muffler. Oh, that sounds so good. It's like Corsa. Oh, and also, I mean, it's got a new starter in it. They did a new water pump when they put the engine in, and exhaust manifold, gaskets. I mean, it's ready to go for daily driving use. It just sucks that the gas mileage kind of sucks. I would like to put dual tailpipes on it. I might do that, and I'm probably just going to Y-pipe it here in my area of Pennsylvania, we don't have emissions, but we have the visual inspection, so they don't like passing it without a muffler. It's definitely against the rule. So I may put a small muffler in it, and I might just have it clamped on so that way I can change it on my own. So that way I can run straight whenever I want. Whoa, nice. That sounds so good. I love how it sounds without a muffler, and it's not, I'm not even yelling. I mean, it's not even loud. It's not even loud inside. My F-150 with a 5.0 and the Roush catback, way more obnoxious. So, there's that. Good truck so far. Put maybe 500 miles on it. Hopefully it lasts, as far as the good luck goes. I miss having a cat eye style Chevy since that 2005 HD, which is the only reason I ever got any subscribers for anything, you know. Super 44 exhaust setup. I like this truck a lot. It's nice to be back in one. And the lift definitely helps too. 33-inch tire. We'll see what happens when they wear out. Maybe I'll try a 35, I don't know. Biggest goal now is get it paid for and get that sold. So, that's it. Have a good one, everybody.